This is going to be a very quick video about how to randomize copied geometry. So let's take a look at our setup. So what I have is this geometry that I want to copy in circle. So what's good about this method is that the geometry does not have to be continuous. So you can see we have different pieces. So once we have that, we merge them together, we transform it to the right place, we copy them, and in a copy node there is this option to copy number attribute. So what is this going to be? If you take a look at the spreadsheet, it's going to give a unique number for each polygon for each copy. So let's say we select this, and it's going to have only one number assigned to it. So this is going to help us once we randomize the numbers. It's going to get the same exact result for each one of the polygons that we randomize that has the same number. It's going to delete the entirety of this copy, so we do not get random polygon deletions. And now we just want to put down a delete node, and in delete node we want to make a delete by expression and put down a rand, and in quotations add, we want to copy this attribute, so copy num. I'm just gonna copy and paste it, and then we have only two numbers, 11 and 5, but to make it, and also you can non-select and select it, but to make it variable so we can randomize it, first of all we can put down a add frame. You can just multiply by a frame like that, and you can see that there's clock now, and if you go by this time scale, it's basically going to randomize them. Let's say you have multiple randomizations in one scene, so maybe at frame you do not want to use the frame as your randomizer. So with that you can easily just create that attribute, and this attribute, let's call it a randomizer, put it to the primitive, and this is going to be our number that's going to randomize. So you can see that we can spell float or integer, it doesn't really matter. So this is going to be our randomizer, and now you just have to point at it. So go to delete, and instead of frame, point at the randomizer. So, and now you can see we are getting randomizations, but you can see that there one last problem is that the copy with the 0 copy num is not actually getting randomized. It's only stays there. So, and if you go into negative, it disappears. So what we can do is just right after the copy, just create a attribute expression, and we want to select the custom attribute, and what we want is this attribute. So copy num in a custom, and you can see that it is an int, so we want to take integer. You can also take a look what kind of attribute it is. So, and it is a primitive. So primitive, you can see it's primitive because in the spreadsheet it is under the primitive. So, and what we want to do is just add 1 to it, and you can see that in spreadsheet it has added 1. So now we have up to 13. So basically it's going to eliminate 0 so that we get a nice randomization. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and take care.